We're out here on the streets of Mexico. I'm trying out this new helmet. Little hint of what it might look like. You'll probably see it on the 360 later. I'm hoping, because this helmet's a lot tighter, more of a race fit, it will let less wind noise in compared to my Shoei. We will find out. Matter of fact, I'm going to close this front vent because it's actually so good at breathing. I don't really need the extra vent. Let's go find out. Hopefully the audio is clear. I just installed the mic. I've never tested it before. We're gonna find out now. I saw a guy on an H2 at the gas station when I came out. I was hoping he would come my way, but I don't know if he was just finishing up or what. But that thing was sparkling in the sun. That paint job is crazy. It's like liquid chrome. This bike feels good today. Got a wore out back tire, but it still feels good. And we're gonna tip her in. Felt good, felt good. I need to get the suspension set up still. I've been waiting for a track day to happen nearby where I can ride this over. They've always got a good suspension guy at the track days. I'm gonna go right, actually. I haven't been around those corners in a while. There's a couple fun corners right around here. Make sure I can see what kind of cars are coming the other direction. Yeah, that's a fun left to right. Whee! Look at that turning radius. Naked bikes. To get a little shot here too of this new helmet. It's the Fabio Quartararo edition of the new HJC Alpha 12 Pro, and it's nice. Gotta rep that Fabio when you're riding on your Yamaha. Stretch it out. Let's get some stretching in. Give them one more cool shot. Still dirty, but it's a nice new strip of pavement. Wonder how far the new stuff goes. Damn, exciting. Heck yeah, look at how clean this is. Fresh lines, fresh paint. Wow, good job. City spent some money. This is sick. This might be where I start riding. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. Yeah, man, look how clean this new road is. I'm so impressed. Typically, Texas roads, the day they're put in, they're terrible. Wow, spoil me rotten, won't ya? They must have just finished this because it's so clean. Well, I say clean and then I almost run over a huge chunk of something. Yeah, here's some dirt. A little sketch, but alright. Freshly paved. Nobody out here. Cutting into the road. You see me right, you see me right, you see me right, you don't see me. Weren't looking that hard, were you? I'm definitely turning around and going back this way because this road's so nice. It's going to be the title of the video. I found a new road and it's sick. It says 45 now. What's it been the whole time? Has it been 50 or something? I'm just gonna keep going until this road stops being brand new. Oh. Immediately. It's still not bad though. This is basically how good the road used to be. In some parts really potholed out, but yeah, it's 55. Wow. Barely even speeding. Found my new direction to go when I come out here. That old road can suck it. All tore up. Don't want to go too fast in the straightaways. That's where they get you. If they just sent a street sweeper out here once in a while, oh my god, this road would be amazing. It already is pretty good. Something about the freshly painted lines give you confidence. You're not kind of second guessing where on earth you're supposed to turn. Yeah man, this is not bad. Here's the construction bit. Right, yeah, I called it. Just don't want to hit like a giant pothole like that right there. I just, there's a couple. Stand on the pegs a little bit. That's really rough. But that's it. That's the best. That's the bad part. Alright, let's enjoy the shit out of this next bit. Got the little snake symbol. Yeah, dude, this section is legit. Legitimately. See if I can crest the hill and do a little third gear wheelie. Hills help. Ooh. Messing up my next turn. Very, very nice. Got claps all around for how good that road is now. Alright guys, that's all I got for today. Thanks for watching.